Hello students, good morning. Welcome to part 1 video of our chapter number 4. That is my district. Chapter number 4, my district. Achha, what is the name of our district? Can anybody tell me? What is the name of our district? Yes, the name of our district is Kutch. Very good. If we go line to line, then first comes our village or city, then comes the taluka, right? Then comes the district. District के बाद आता है state, that your district is in which state, right? Then after state it comes the country. So our country is India, then our state is Gujarat, then our district is Kutch, in that our taluka it is Bhuj, and our city or village, if you live the village nearby Bhuj, Madhapur, Mankua, then you can write that. And if you live in proper Bhuj, then city and taluka will be the same, Bhuj, right? In this way it comes in order. My district. You may usually go on tour. You must be visiting sightseeing places, famous pilgrimage places and historical monuments. कितने सारे सब वर्ड्स है ना, हार्ड वर्ड्स एक लाइन में आ गए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय साइट सीइंग? मीन्स देखने लायक, राइट? पिलग्रिमेज मीन्स रिलीजियस प्लेस, राइट? हिस्टोरिक पिलग्रिमेज मीन्स रिलीजियस प्लेस, जैसे हमारा माता का मठ है ना, नल सरोवर है. सो दिस आर ऑल पिलग्रिमेज प्लेसेस. Historical monuments, that is Dodavida, yes, right, these are called historical monuments. जैसे हमारा म्यूजियम है, छतेड़ी है, right, which are related to history, they are called historical places. You may also be visiting such places in your district. Where in your district are such places located? There is a table given in your textbook in which you have to write the name of historical places, and in the next table it is the name of pilgrimage places, right? Supposingly in historical place you are writing, right, Chatedi or museum, then where is it located? It is located in Bhuj, right? Now what is the peculiarity? Peculiarity means उसकी खासियत, उसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है? Yes, it is related to arts. उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें रखी गई है ना? So it is a museum for arts. You can write that, art and architecture, right? So in this way, Chatedi, it is an architectural it is an architectural excellence, architectural monument. So Dholavira, it is related to Harappan civilization, right? So these are the peculiarities you can describe at your own. Then pilgrimage places. If you write Ashapura temple, Matana Math, right? What are the peculiarities? Yes, it is a very ancient and it's Architecture is also good. You can write it, right? 2-3 things, whatever you write. Next page. Name of historical places where maximum pilgrims visit. You can write the 3 names of your district. Historical place. Now, famous historical place. Right? So these questions you have to write at your own in the textbook itself with pencil. Right? Next, which places have you discussed about? Which places have you visited out of the ones you had discussed? Which place do you wish to see? And collect diary, calendar, or an panchang. Okay, there are different festivals celebrated everywhere, right? So in our district, which are the different festivals celebrated? You can list down on page number 31. New Year, Bhai Beej, 2 are written. Then Navratri, Diwali, Janmashtami, Uttarayan, Holi, Dulati, right? You can write all these things. Dashera, Eid, Moharram. So these all festivals which are celebrated in our district, you can list it in the table, right? Then classify the festivals accordingly, date-wise, tithi-wise, and day-wise, year-wise, or otherwise. Means, if you are writing Christmas, then when does it come? It comes on 25th December. Right? If you are writing Uttarayan, it comes on 14th January. Right? But if you are writing Diwali, then when does it come? Then you have to write Tithi-wise. Tithi-wise means according to Gujarati calendar. Right? When is the Diwali? It is Aso or Amas. Right? So, some festivals, they are celebrated according to Gujarati calendar, Tithi-wise, and some are celebrated according to English calendar, date-wise, right? So you can write it accordingly. You may have also been to a fair. You have learned about the fair in previous standard, but it was all about regional local fairs. Fairs might have been held in your district also. Most of our fairs are held on organized at our pilgrimage and during festivals. Note down the name of places where the festivals are held from the book named My District. You can find the book Our District Kutch. From that you can get all the details that where the fairs are held, on which day, whether it is on a pilgrimage place or where, right? This table, whether it is on Tithi wise, month wise, if Tithi wise, then it will fall in which month. So, in this way, you can make a table, make a list of fairs. Fairs means पता है ना मेला, हमारे यहाँ मेला कब कब लगता है, कहाँ होता है, राइट? वो पिलग्रिमेज प्लेस पे होता है कि नहीं होता है, and which English month does it fall, right? So you can write Janmashtami, then place of fair, what is it? Yes, Lake Hamisar Lake. The day on which कौन से दिन होता है, 3 days का होता है ना हमारा जन्माष्टमी मेला. Yes, you can write, right? Chhat, Satam and Atham, Shravan Vad, Tithi wise, right? Then whether it is a pilgrimage place or not? No, it is a historical place. Then in which month it will fall? It will fall in August, right? So, in this way, you can fill the table, right? Next it is, tick mark the appropriate occasion according to the list given below. Some list of things are given, you have to decide whether it come in fair or in a wedding ceremony. Wedding card, it will come in wedding ceremony, right? Then fatal ride, ride कहाँ पे होती है? वेडिंग सेरेमनी में होती है? नहीं होती है. Where is it? It will come in, yes, fair. Then it is flower pin. Flower pin, where will it come? It will come in wedding ceremony, yes. Then dolak, wedding ceremony. Sweets, sweets can come in both, right? So if you want, you can write 2-4 names more and write its classification. Okay, so this much you do. In the next part we will continue on. Thank you.